Hey, it's your girl, your favorite paralegal, aka Cassandra Lynn, and welcome to Legal Doc Talk 24/7. Y'all, I had to hop on this. I didn't even have time to do an updated thumbnail, but if y'all have not heard, Tony Busby has voluntarily dropped Sean Carter from the Jane Doe lawsuit. I repeat, Busby has voluntarily dropped Sean Carter from the freaking lawsuit with Diddy. Let's hop right on to it. It's I'm I'm over here minding my business and I get an alert. So if y'all see this, y'all know that Jay-Z was added to the amended complaint that was filed December 8th with allegations from Jane Doe stating that he sexually assaulted her and raped her with Diddy back in September of 2000. Today, a notice of voluntary dismissal was filed with the court, and it reads, pursuant to Rule 41 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, plaintiff Jane Doe, by and through her undersigned counsel, hereby gives notice that the above captioned action is voluntarily dismissed with prejudice, meaning that Jane Doe can never ever file against Jay Z ever again in life. Counsel for plaintiff have discussed this matter with counsel for each defendant who acknowledge and consent to this submission. Now, I don't know if I'm just trying to see if nope, it says it says that. It that's what it says. That's exactly what it says. So they discussed this matter behind scenes. If they settle, we will never know. It is just something that would have to possibly come out. But at this time, they discussed everything. And she said, okay, let's go ahead and dismiss this case. And I will never ever file any of these allegations again in a court of law. All right, now I'm going to turn y'all to the statement that Jay-Z has released since this has been filed. And I'm going to read it because I know that it is pretty small on the screen, but it reads, and this is from Rock Nation. It states, today is a victory. The frivolous, fictitious, and appalling allegations have been dismissed. The civil suit was without merit and never going anywhere. The fictional tale they created was laughable, if not for the seriousness of the claims. I would not wish this experience on anyone. The trauma that my wife, my children, loved ones, and I have endured can never be dismissed. This 1-800 lawyer gets to file a suit hiding behind Jane Doe, and when they quickly realize that the money grab is going to fail, they get to walk away with no repercussions. The system has failed. The court must protect victims, of course, while with the same ethical responsibility, the courts must protect the innocent from being accused without a shred of evidence. May the truth prevail for all victims and thus falsely accused equally. Sean Carter. So, this is a statement that Jay Z put out via Rock Nation. If you're just coming in, please note that Tony Busby has dropped the case against Sean Carter. So he's going to be taken off of that Diddy suit. So it's still going to be Diddy's lawsuit, but Sean Carter is not going to be a part of that lawsuit. What's up, the real messy mafia? Yes. So as of right now, Jane Doe is no longer going after Tony Buzz. I mean, not Jane Doe is no longer going after Jay-Z. That portion of the case is closed. I am still questioning the John Doe. I'm still questioning the John Doe because that was mentioned and never mentioned before. We don't even know what happened to that case. Um, by Jay-Z putting out this statement, I don't think that there was a settlement, because if there was, I don't know, he probably would have chosen a different word choice. But it looks like they discussed everything behind closed doors and they agreed to go ahead and dismiss the case. And she agreed not to file the allegations again in a court of law. So that's it. That's all. Um, ain't nothing much to it other than, oh my gosh. Hold on, I want to go back to, let me see. So let me see. This is crazy, y'all. I was like, happy Friday. Yep, this is the only thing that had a notice of appearance that was filed for Bad Boy Records. But other than that, yep. So Jay-Z is no longer on here. Let me go check the parties. And I'm pretty sure once it's signed by the judge, then they're going to remove him from the yeah. Once the judge signs that, then he's going to be taken off. But yeah, make sure all those that are in here hit the like button. Oh yeah, thank you. Still push it that he settled right, but what the defamation cases are coming. Hey, and if that is a, but what I said is what happened to that case. What happened to that case? That is my question. Why that case never was brought up. So whether you like it or not, I'm going to speak my mind. So you can go in everybody else's chat that is on this topic and ask them the same thing. Okay? Alrighty. So, that's it. For everybody that's coming in, I'm not going to be long because I am still doing some work. But yeah, so Jay-Z has been dismissed from that case, and now it's just Jane Doe and Diddy. That is all. That is it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, you all be blessed and I'm out. Bye.